Hello, my name is Giorgio Gasparini, and this is how to create a chargeback model part 4. In this part, we are going to see how to create a chargeback model and associate to it cost rates. The value is instantiate a cost model template to calculate cost allocation on targets. Create a cost model based on the target hierarchy and cost model template created in the previous steps. A wizard appears. At the creation time, select the option type automatic. This creates a composite cost object for any subdomains of the target representing the service to be created and allocated. Then select the target hierarchy, so we choose the previous hierarchy we created and the target parent, the base domain for the hierarchy. Finally, we need to select the cost model template we just defined in the previous step. Once the wizard is completed, you have the cost model. As you can see, the composite cost objects have been added to the allocated resources table. The last step before the creation of cost results, so the calculation of the cost model, is the definition of the cost rates, so the prices of the basic cost objects. How much you pay for each megahertz you use, how much you pay for each gigabytes you use for a certain period. To do this, press the Edit Cost Rates button. Add the basic cost objects created at the previous steps and price them. The fixed CO is calculated for each month and 30 euros per month. The allocation CO, $5 per instance per day, and the utilization CO, you pay 5 cents per each megahertz used every day, and 0.8 euros for each gigabytes of memory used every day. Save the cost rates you just defined to associate them to the cost model. And the model is now ready to be run. Let's create a cost model together. Let's choose automatic and synchronize. Select the chargeback hierarchy and the target, the template, and the currency. And we are done. Let's edit the cost rates. Let's add the previous cost objects we defined. The validity period must cover the execution time. I'll just leave this validity period. Ideally, it should go longer in time. So 30 euros per month for fixed fee. And let's add the allocation based we defined before, 5 euros per day. And let's add the CPU and memory utilization based, 5 cents per megahertz per hour and 0.8 euros per gigabyte per hour. Let's save them. The cost model is defined and ready to be run.